No ice again. This time on G Reviews, I show you how to get some. Alright guys, so this time on G Reviews, I just show you how to basically defrost the inside of your freezer, your ice maker specifically. This thing's not making ice. This happens all the time. And it's funny, my brother has a Frigidaire refrigerator, and he's got lots of views on that, and I think most of these side by side with the ice maker and things in the door, this happens a lot because there's the freezer that's inside of the fridge, and I think condensation just builds up. And again, not that the ice maker doesn't work, it's just that there's a bunch of buildup of ice in the freezer tray that's causing the ice not to drop down into the tray. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up, take the tray out, and actually show you specifically how we do this. And all we're gonna need to fix the whole ice maker is one of these. Not that I use it, but a little hair dryer is all we need to defrost the ice and get this thing making ice again. Okay, so we're going to take this tray out, and then I'm also gonna take the ice tray out because there's no ice in it. Sometimes, well, again, it's frozen back there, so probably some of that probably had something to do with it, but yep, you'll see exactly the issue in just a moment. Alright guys, so if you look up in here, you'll see immediately what the issue is. So basically, water condensates on the bottom of the ice tray here. And then what happens is, if your ice maker has a ton of ice in it in the ice tray, and it just kind of sits here, it'll actually just melt the ice cubes to this ice right here. So all we're really going to do is just get in here with the hair dryer and just melt all this ice, and then that'll cause the ice to actually fall into the tray, and then once again it'll start making ice. So let's go ahead and just do a quick time lapse right now of melting the ice. And so after doing that for a few minutes, I would definitely kind of sop up. There's going to be some water in the bottom of the tray here, so definitely get that, because you don't want to have all that water then freeze at some point. So at some point you should just be able to see, you can just kind of break off these big chunks of ice, but basically you just want to get all that ice out of there so your the ice can actually fall down into the tray from the ice maker. But so basically that's it. There are some more big ice chunks in the back, and to get all this ice out of here. Still some chunks back there, a little bit more in the back. Alright, let's get in there with the towel again. So we're really trying to get, there's a big chunk of ice back here. See if we can't get it out now. Oop, yep, there we go. Alright guys, so that's what it's going to look like when it's all done. Nice and clean, no ice buildup on the bottom. Again, you just kind of have to keep an eye on it. And the biggest thing that you can do to prevent this is just keep cycling the ice. Like, don't let the ice build up to the point where it's full, because then once that happens, you know, the ice maker will make a little bit more ice, and then it'll just kind of sit here. And then every time you open and close the door too, sometimes that'll cause the ice to build up as well. So anyway, that's pretty much the entire process here. So go ahead and put the ice tray back in. It's like a new fridge now. A new freezer and new ice maker. So put that back in there. Alright guys, that's the whole process. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, please let me know. I'll be happy to help. Thanks so much for watching. Skyward Reviews, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe for more great content. Thanks so much for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.